how to edit and change all your videos category at once on your YouTube channel on PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is go to YouTube. This is the home page. Go to the YouTube studio from here. As you can see, this is the YouTube studio. Click on content to see all your videos. Select all your videos from here and go to edit from here, and go down, click on category and choose the category that you want: entertainment, film and animation, or any category you want. After you finish, click update videos and all your videos are gonna be changed from their category. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.